20. What's the J value?
Go right.
Okay, very good. So I have I is 20, J is this guy, right? Then I say I is I plus 3. What's the I value? 23. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Now I have J0 equal to J plus 4. Yes? So J value, J1 is here. Then plus 4 assigned to here. So this value is 24. Am I right? Okay. Now after I finish, I call the foundry. I come back, print out. What do I print out? Do you see it? What's Jordan? Do you distinguish that? This is original 10, 20, 30. Still 10, 20, 30. You copy the entire array to the location. That's why although your J has been updated, but you update your own array. You do not change my original array. That's very, very different from the Java behavior. Clear? Now you can see here 10, 20, 30. Yes? Okay, now we try. We finish here, we call the foundry. Then we print out. This time we call B here. We call the function 4. Function 4, I give you the same thing. Okay, I give you. I have the function 4, I give you A, yes? I still have 10, 20, 30, yes? Then I give you the A1 itself, still 20. Okay? Now I call the function 4. Function 4 is here. Function 4 say, do you see the difference? One is I have exactly the same instruction. One is with the return. I do not return. Yes? Okay, this time I return this guy 24. Yes, Jordan? Then this guy is f by 3, right? So this is 23. Yes? And I return back. What do I return? I return the J. In other words, I return, what do I return? 24, 20, 30, this array, yes? I call the function 4, I print out B, I return, and the B receive the return array. In other words, we just copy back, right? Then after we print out, what do we have? 24, 20, 30. Got it? So in other words, in PHP, pass by value is if you do not return, got it. If you return, you may keep it. Okay? Next one is pass by reference now. All right, now we say we want to print out, now it's a pass by reference. Jordan, very important. Do you see here? Ampersand. Do you see ampersand? Ampersand meaning is pass me as a reference. I do not copy the entire array now. In Java, it's no option. You only give me the address for array. If you are the primitive data type is integer, you give me the value only, pass by value. Okay? Let's see what happens. This time, I still have C array, yes? C array. I have C array, still have 10, 20, 30. Agree? Next. I give you the C1. So C1, oh, I give you 20. 20 will pass to here as I, yes? Now, I value will give the phi value, but you are reference to this location. Reference. Okay? Now, J value. J itself is reference. That's why when you call me as a C, I reference to J to this location. Reference to this location is not copy the entire array. Understand? Now we see. What happening here is I still adding by 3. And what do I add? I adding here by 3, yes? What's the value? 5. What's the value? C1. Oh, I'm sorry, C1 is 20, not 5. Okay? It's right here. Okay? C1 is 20. So we reference here, then we change it. Okay? Then when we add by 3, where is the location we reference? I'm sorry. Here. We are reference to the C1, yes? We are reference to here. Yes? Okay. Now, I plus 3. Where is the value increased by 3? Where? Here, yes? Next. JRU. I reference to this object. J is J1 plus 4. Where is the J1? J1. What's the value for J1? Yes. Where? What's the value? 23. Add by 4. Add by 4, that will be 27. Assign to the J0. Oh, 27. You see the tricks now? Very good question. Okay? Now, after you finish, then we come back, we want to print out the C array. Do you see? We print out a C array. We do not print out, you return. You print out. We don't even have any return instruction. But we are, through the reference, we are updating the array. That's why you are able to say here we print out, that's why we are 27, 23, and 30. Yes? Okay. Let me conclude. Very important is you understand. This is array. Okay, tell me the Java array is passed by reference. Yes? Then PHP, if you use the ampersand, you are passed by reference. If you don't, passed by value. I copy the entire array. Now, here, I'm also is selection able to have passed by reference or passed by value. If you just use the regular I, pass by value. If you give me ampersand I, I'm going to pass by reference even you are primitive data type, not array. Understand? Okay? So that's all. Although I cannot lecture you, that's a lot of contents inside. Okay? Yes, Makela. You okay? Jordan, you alright?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Makela. You
I
have
was
it?
just clarifying, so when you pass by value and you don't have a return statement, the original stays the same.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, now.
And if you pass by reference, then it changes the original through the reference.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Gotcha.
That's why you can see here. Okay, the function 5, no return address,
Right.
but you can see the value is changing. I confirm your answer is correct. Then the other one is in normal, if you return or not. If you do not return, I treat you as specified value. That's a PHP. Understandable? Okay, once your concept is correct, then when I give you the program, you can PHP, if it's passed by reference or passed by value, that's it, right? But are they the same as Java? Is it the same? No. Okay, you need to study. That's why I told you I don't mind to share the concept. I don't mind to share a point to this program. But meanwhile, if you didn't ask, another background is here. Okay? I told you it's same as Java. No, it's not the same. The same as C program? No, not the same. That's PHP. We okay? All right. Makena, you okay?
Yep.
All right. Everybody satisfied?
Could you?
Oh, call. I thought you could call. 1, 2, 3.
Could you,
Yes,
do
go ahead, Jordan.
Number 19
Number 19.
in chapter 7.
Chapter 7.
Yes, sir. Chapter 7, number 19.
Let me looking for chapter 7. Number 19. Chapter 9. 19. 9 or not? Chapter 7. 7.
Yes, sir.
19. Okay, here. Okay, what's your question?
So it's using the pointer. It's using the pointer and the reference. Well, I know it's like you do it left to right, but
Louder. I cannot hear.
I know it's doing it like from left to right, but I don't understand like when it uses the pointer in the fun function and it uses the address in the main when it calls it in the main.
It means it's passing the address to the function, but the function is using the reference.
Alright, now, simple things. This is expression. When you have left to right, which one you want to do first?
Yeah, left or right.
Left to right. X first, right? If you are doing the right to left, which one will do first?
Right to left. The
Function.
Function first.
That's it.
But why is it using the ampersand and the X when you call it?
Why ampersand? You are talking about this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are talking about X itself. Do you see fun INTI star? What's that?
Pointer.
Pointer. Then in other words, if you use the pointer, I just erase it. Do you remember? You need dereference, right?
Dereference.
Okay. If we dereference, okay, let me clear up. We start at beginning. That's easy for us. We start out here. I is equal to 3. Yes? I is equal to 3. X value is equal to 3. Then X is equal to X plus font ampersand X. Yes? Now, when we reach this one, if we are left to right, then left to right we were using the X first. Yes? What's the X value?
3.
3. You need a plus. You need to make the function call. When we call the function, we're going to upgrade. So I value, what's I value?
3.
I value is equal to, I give you my address, that's why I have 3. Yes?
Yes, sir.
And this instruction says I star plus equal to 5. What is the instruction? Is equivalent to star I is equal to star I plus 5. Yes? Okay, now I return 4. What's my I value? When I give you X value 3, then you give me the I should not write here. So the reference I, what's the reference I value?
3.
3. So 3 plus 5 we get
8.
what?
Oh.
8. 3 plus 5 we get 8. So if we dereference, what's my I value?
8.
8. We are talking about your X value has been updated to 8. Here is 3. Okay? Now you update to 8. Then we return 4. What's 4? 4 is 4. Right? That's why we have 7. Now the other way. We are talking about the B now. When we are B, we will call the right first, right? When we call the right, then what do we have? You call the function. Yes? Okay, now what's my return? My return 4.
Okay.
But my X value has been updated from 3 to 8. Yes? That's why you have 8 here. That's why you 8 plus 4, you get 12. Is Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's the same concept. We are talking about the pointer dereference. Yes, you okay? One by one. All right, now, my customer just said happy. Okay, now, yeah.
So when you're using the function in main and you send it $x, that's the location of x, right?
Correct.
So then when you put it in I, dereference I, that's why it changes the actual value of x?
Yes.
Okay.
Now, the very important issue is Michaela. You see here?
Yeah,
Okay, tell me what's that?
the location of the variable x.
That's it. Now, let's translate. Do you remember we just said so? Okay. Address of, in other words, address of x is passing to you. Then you dereference.
So then you get the value.
That's it. That's serial instruction, remember? We said, we just did it here. Then when we want to assign the 7 into P2, we said star P2 equal to 7. You assign 7 to dereference. The same thing, I assign you the 3 into the dereference. That's why you have 3. Okay? Any other? Very confused, huh? But that's why it's interesting and important, okay? And you are coding all the time. That's important. Yes?
So if we were just given that code, not told to do left or right or right to left, and it was in C, would we then know that this is an example of a functional side effect? Because C.
Okay. Now, the Patrick's question is if this instruction. Okay? A C program. What's the answer?
Easy program.
Yeah, I'm saying this.
Well, it would be 12.
C, what's the answer?
12.
12. Hey, see? That's good. Then if you driver,